Lose weight fast, the 14-day rapid soup diet that really works. Introduction 0 o'clock to 0:30. Background music fades in, upbeat and motivating. Subtitles at bottom, centered throughout entire video. Narrator. Are you tired of trying diets that don't work? Want to shed pounds fast and feel energized? Welcome to the 14-day rapid soup diet, a proven weight loss program that helps you lose weight while enjoying delicious, hearty soups. Stick around to learn how this diet works and how you can start your journey today. Text overlay: lose weight fast with the 14-day rapid soup diet. What is the 14-day rapid soup diet? 0:30 to 1:30. Narrator. The 14-day rapid soup diet is a carefully crafted meal plan designed to help you burn fat and lose weight fast, all while boosting your metabolism and detoxing your body. This isn't your average soup diet. It's packed with nutritious, fat-burning ingredients like lean proteins, healthy fats, and powerful vegetables to help you drop pounds quickly and safely. Stock footage of healthy soups being prepared, vegetables, and happy people enjoying food. How the soup diet works, 1:30 to 3:00. Narrator. The diet is easy to follow. Over the course of 14 days, you'll enjoy specific soups for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These soups are designed to keep you full, maintain steady blood sugar levels, and burn fat around the clock. Plus, they are packed with essential vitamins and minerals to support your overall health. A visual of a calendar with a 14-day countdown showcasing various soups. Narrator. The secret. The soups are low in carbs but rich in healthy fats, making it a perfect plan for those looking to jumpstart ketosis and fat burning. You won't feel deprived. These meals are designed to keep you satisfied. Keywords: soup diet, weight loss, rapid weight loss, lose weight fast, ketosis, fat burning. Why this diet is different. 3 o'clock to 4:00. Narrator. Unlike other crash diets, the 14-day rapid soup diet doesn't starve you. Instead, it nourishes your body with balanced meals that promote fat loss without losing muscle. That means you'll look leaner and feel more energized. Plus, the variety of soups keeps things interesting. You'll never get bored of the same old thing. Footage of a person enjoying different soup flavors, smiling and feeling energized. Narrator. Whether you're trying to drop a few pounds for a special event or kickstart your fitness journey, this diet works wonders. Keywords: balanced meals, fat loss, muscle retention, feel energized. Success stories and benefits, 4 o'clock to 5:00. Narrator. People just like you have seen amazing results with the 14-day rapid soup diet. Thousands of individuals have reported losing up to 10, 15, or even 20 pounds in just 2 weeks. They're feeling healthier, happier, and more confident. Show testimonials and before and after transformations. Narrator. The benefits don't stop at weight loss. With the 14-day rapid soup diet, you'll experience increased energy, improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and better sleep. It's truly a lifestyle change that delivers lasting results. Keywords: success stories, weight loss testimonials, increased energy, improved digestion. How to get started today, 5 o'clock to 5:30. Narrator. Ready to give it a try? It's easy to start your weight loss journey today with the 14-day rapid soup diet. Just click the link in the description or go to bit.ly/3muanoq to grab your copy of the meal plan and get instant access to everything you need. Text on screen. Click the link now. bit.ly/3muanoq. Keywords: get started, rapid weight loss plan. Call to action and end screen, 5:30 to 6:00. Narrator. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on weight loss and healthy living. Click the subscribe button now or visit bit.ly/4e42l6 to join our community. Text on screen, subscribe now, bit.ly/4e6. Narrator. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best on your weight loss journey with the 14-day rapid soup diet. End screen with clickable options. Watch next video, vertical bar, subscribe now.